hear you, sir.
I want to better your life, but you are running. Why are you running from? I want to make you a man. You are not a man. As I'm seeing you, you are a tiny rapper. In the realm of the spirit. I'm not insulting you. Come. I'm not insulting your person. You are a tiny rapper. You are a fine young man. You are a hard-working man. You love to walk. You love to walk. You are a workaholic person. Vomit them. Vomit them. Please. Do you have a prophet? You have a prophet. Who is your prophet? I'm not saying Mike. I'm not saying Mike. Leave her, don't worry. Leave her. You have a prophet? Where's your prophet?
AYO OGUNLOLA.
Can I tell you something?
Yes, sir.
Favor left you the day you insult your wife and me together. My favor, my anointing left you the day you insult your wife, and that insult now slapped, splash on me. Can I remind you the way you insult your wife? He said, I beg, this you and your pastor said. Is it true?
It's true, sir.
Is it true?
It's true, sir.
That was when my favor left you. My favor left you the day you said that.
It's true,
That's the reason why you are
it's true.
struggling.
Because I said that I'm tired of complaining. I'm tired of meeting people. Let me stand it on my own.
Are you just looking like that? Put your hands together for the Lord. See, favor and judgment is tied to the ways of a prophet. Once you say something against it, the judgment, flog it. If you say something good, the favor follow you. He can't remember. You know, it's not that he hates me. Oh. He loved me. But that statement that he made, you know, to you now, is he bad? You know, they say that small thing. Now I may God leave her. You cannot imagine when somebody is now fighting a prophet. Small insult like that. You say it's a small. It's small. You cannot imagine when you now fight a prophet. Say, that pastor self. You are now talking about pastor everywhere. You are saying, let me tell you about that man. Where's Emmanuel? Emmanuel is here. Your mother told me, was it last week when I came back from Abuja? Said he met a woman. Called her. I said, Sister Shiri, why are you still with that man? That prophet. He will use you the way he used others. He said, when WORLDHOPE came to this place, that she came to this place with good money with the husband. That man collect all the money, finish. Nothing happened. So the way he used me, he will use you. You better leave that place. Sister She was trying to describe the woman. I said, I'm not interested. I'm not interested. Because when the judgment will come, I'm not going to be there. Can you see the part of judgment? That he just said, I beg you, don't tire me, you and this your pastor self. My grace just left her. He was doing fine. That was the time he was giving testimony here. Almost every day. You remember? He was giving testimony here. See, and this pastor, I never see somebody like you. Money will just come. Money will just come. Money will just come. Where is the money now? Because he is the man of God. That's why all my daughter, all my son that insulted me, I want to try to build a relationship with them. But they are running. The more I'm trying to draw them, the more they are scattering me. The more they are castigating me. I will say, if you know what you are doing to yourself, you are tearing yourself. It was Mama was telling me, he said he saw one of them, he said, even if daddy is bad, can't you remember one he has done for you? One day he has come to you to do something for you. Can't you remember that one? Bad Peking, get your own good day.
Yes, sir.
Every bad Peking, get your own good day. One thing I do, when you offend me, I will not condemn you. I will remember your good day. Everybody has good day. Oh. You see, I will abuse your prophet again. Eh? I will restore the glory again. I will restore it again. Can I do that for you?
Yes, sir.
I'm doing that because you say I'm your prophet. I'm doing that. I will do that. On Sunday, make sure you are here. Come and dance. Eh? Whether you have something to thank God with or not, come on Sunday. Forget job. After all, you have been working. See, it's not you have been working nothing now. When I this is your wife, no good. When I asked him, where's your husband? He said, he don't go to do Java Java. He said, he don't go struggle for the family. When he struggle finish, how much did they bring? Eh? You will enjoy my grace now. Eh? You will enjoy my grace.
Amen.
Enjoy my grace. Time don't go. Father, I declare. Come. Open your hand. Oh Lord, I pray, let that grace be restored. Bring him here. Let that, I will do that 3 times and the grace will be restored. Let it be restored. Let it be restored. Peace. Leave him. Let him go down. Let him go down. There is a reason why he must go down. Let him go down. Come, come, come. Let him go down. Let him go down. When you go down, I need to lift you up. Let him go down. 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 Let it the touch. Right. Thank you. This is your low esteem. This is sit down. So I lift you up. Stand to your grace. That is top. In Jesus' name.